Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. I'm responding today to a question that Alan Chris Hughes had a couple months ago regarding YouTube hashtags. This is in response to a video I did back in 2022 called Why Aren't My YouTube Hashtags Working? And he's asking if you can do this on playlists to help keep them organized. The answer is yes, you can, but they don't show up quite as they don't show up like a clickable link in the title or above the title like they do on videos. But here's how you can do it. And why would you want to do it? This is a way to keep your content organized and make it more findable. So if you do a couple relevant hashtags, you might pop up in a few more searches when people search for your content. And you can attach that to the playlist either in the description or the title. Here's how. So I'm in a playlist here, but here's how I got here. I went to playlists. I clicked on one of my playlists right here, the three dots, and I hit edit. And then as I edit it, I put a hashtag Google Sheets, because this is a playlist about Google Sheets, in the title. I can also put it in the description. And when I do that, it will show up. It will show up right here in the title, and it will show up in the description of this playlist. Okay. Now, when it shows up above a video, you can click on it and pull a whole list of different videos with that hashtag. It won't do that on a playlist. I tested it several times this morning, but it will tag it so it might be more findable as you search. Doesn't hurt to do it, and you can try that out on your playlist. Okay. Hope this was helpful. Keep coming back for more, and ask me questions, and I'll be glad to make some videos.